First, import design. Change the size. Apply. Center. Here, File. System parameter. Paste X 0. Paste Y 0. Move rotate. Notch 20 mm. OK. Choose the design. Ungroup. Combine. Modify. Curve edit. Auto connect 0.01. OK. Copy. Paste. Move. Uncombine. Move. 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 Delete. Hatch. Pin number 0. Mark counter. 50. Here rotate. OK. Apply pin number 0. Here pin number 0. False. 70. OK. And copy. Paste. Move. Hatch. 1. Cross. Pin number 1. OK. This is for pin number 1. False. 2130. OK. This uncombine. Select move. Move. Delete. This apply. Pin number 2. False. 190. Global. True. Diameter 0.19. Distance 0.04. Mark loop 20. This one is for clean. This one is for engraving. This one is for cutting. First engraving, then cleaning. So this one move to top. This one move top. First, engraving. Second, cleaning, cutting this circle, cutting, this last cutting. Okay. Select all the design. Write and cut.